Hi guys, in the last tutorial we have learned about if-else statement. In this tutorial we will go more deep into if-else statement. First we will establish some rules for grading. First, if the student percentage is greater than 90, he will get an A grade. If it is less than 90 but greater than 80, he will get a B grade. Similarly, if it is greater than 70 and less than 80, he will get a C grade, and so on. And at last, if the percentage is less than 50, the grade is F and student failed. Now I will use another extension of the if statement, which is else if. So if what condition body, else if condition body, else if condition and body, and at last else and body. So if I will use simple statement true, and here I will write false. I'm just trying to show which body of the if statement will be executed. False. System.out.println if statement is executed. Let me copy this line and paste it here. Else if first, else if body is executed. Now second, else if body is executed. Here else statement is executed. So you can see if is followed by a true statement. So here this body will be executed. So let's run the program. So you can see if statement is executed means that this thing has been executed. Let me put true here. Now let's see what will happen. Now run the program. Okay, you can see again this statement has been executed. Java is right now inside this line, means 23 line, and body of this if statement. This means that Java is inside if statement and it does not recognize this true statement. Why? There is a simple reason. If and else if both has a true statement, then if statement will be executed and else if will not be executed. But if I put a false here, now let's see which statement will execute it. So right now you can see first else if statement is executed. The Java crawler does not go into if statement because it is false. It goes into this statement as this one is true. Now let me take another example and make this one true and see which body will be executed this time. So still this one is executed. Wherever the first true will lie, it will execute that body. So right now this body is running, but let me make it false and make this one false, and let's see what will happen now. So else statement is executed, this one. Now I have cleaned the program for our grades calculation. We will calculate it using if, else if and else statement. So first one, if percentage is greater than equal to 90, system.out.println student name plus got the A grade. Similarly, else if percentage is greater than 80, stage is less than equal to less than 90. Let me include an equal sign here and copy this thing here to save time. A B grade. Let me just copy paste this thing again and again. 4, 5 and 6. me change this with 70 and this one with 80, and here grade is C grade, here 60, here 70, here 50, here 60. I do not remember to change this one, so let me change it again. And E grade, and at last there will be an else statement. Got a F grade. I have spotted a mistake. Here it will be 60, not 50, 70. Here it will be. I have made a mistake here. Rather than having total marks, I have included average marks here. Everything is corrected. Now run the program again. Yes, I think I have got some pretty good results here. You can see the average is 77.5 and he got a C grade. So this means our program is working. So now let us test another case by giving 50 and here 65. Now run the program again and change the name to John Archer. Run the program. So you can see his percentage is 57.5 and it lies in this range. So he got an E grade. This is everything for now. If you like this tutorial, please subscribe to my channel.